Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Skookumchuck, British Columbia, a small community which sits along the Kootenay River. Skookumchuck has roots in the early logging and railway days, when workers and their families settled near the river. The name Skookumchuck comes from Chinook jargon, meaning strong water. People have been drawn here for generations because of the river's energy and the forested landscape. The community grew slowly over the years as more travelers discovered its charm. Today it remains a quiet stop along the highway. Many visitors come here to enjoy fishing and hiking. Whether you're passing through or taking time to explore, Skookumchuck offers a simple and refreshing break from the rush of everyday life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Skookumchuck, British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!